All right, many of you wanted a tutorial on how I use this non-heated curler for my hair. I got this spongy thing, a clip that clips it to my head, two little satin hair ties that keep everything together. The first thing I do is separate my hair down the back into two separate things. That's a look. Next, I'm going to put this thing on the top of my head, secure it with this little clip. All right, so now it's not going to fall off. Starting to twist. Well, I start with my front, just any chunk of it, I guess. Wrap it around once. I pick up the next chunk of hair, wrap it around. And I'm not precise about this. I'm just kind of like grabbing some hair. I'm not doing anything really special. Keep grabbing hair, keep twisting it. All right, now I've gotten all of my hair on this side, on that ponytail, and I'm just gonna take the ends and continue wrapping them. And then I'm gonna take one of those little satin hair ties. I'm just gonna tap it around this. There's number one. Do the same thing to the other side. Just take a little bit like this, wrap it around. Grab the next little bit of hair, wrap it around. Next bit of hair, wrap it around. All right, once you look like Martha Washington, it's done, but I tend to take these clips in the back and clip them together with something because they drive me a little crazy hanging down there. So I just put a little clip on them like that. I go about my day for like 2 to 3 hours. It's been 2 hours. Let's take a look. Here we go. Here we go. I haven't seen it yet. You're the first to see it. What do you think so far? I haven't looked yet. I love it. I love these big bouncy soft curls. My hair feels really soft. What's it look like on the back? Looks good. Let me know in the comments below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm thumbs up.